8 mistakes while trying to lose weight. Most people trying to lose weight believe simply eating less and skipping meals helps shed that fat. And breakfast is a real easy meal to skip. 1. Started to skip breakfast. This is one of the biggest mistakes you can make when on a weight loss diet. If you leave the house in the morning on an empty stomach, you're much more tempted to eat more at morning tea and lunch times. 2. Eat one day and not the next. We literally eat about 2,000 plus calories one day, feel guilty, and end up eating about 700 calories. If you starve yourself throughout the day, you're much more likely to eat more in the evenings, which is not going to help you lose weight. You should consume most of your calories in the morning. 3. Taking diet food. When we buy these foods because in my mind it meant I could more. If you eat diet foods in large portions, you're not doing yourself any favors. 4. It always be fat. 5. Eating salads as main meals. Eating salad is a good way of keeping your calorie intake down, right? Yes. We found that when we take salads for meals a few hours later, we learned that I was better off eating a balanced meal with slightly more calories than simply eating a salad and snacking afterwards. 6. Started new diets on Mondays. 7. Feels embarrassed to go to the gym. When we thought I was too fat to join. My advice is to join a gym. 8. Set goals too high. Setting long-term goals is great, but these goals always seem too far off. You need to set smaller, more reachable goals that you can regularly meet to keep your motivation high. Set yourself weekly, monthly and 3-monthly goals. If you want to lose weight very fast, then a product link is given in the description. Click on and buy from there.